high transaction fees, inflation, recession. Hi, I'm Samuel, and what can I do for you?
How to showcase your skills creatively. Welcome back to T Technology. In this video, we're going to go over how to get a client using a creative way. Whether you're looking for a job, looking for your next freelancing opportunity, this works either way. So in this case, we're going to create a marketing report, go over it, and send it to them. So this website is phoenixlifecenter.com. It's a chiropractor. So their authority score, according to SEMrush, is 8. Organic traffic is 22. The backlinks is 32. And as you see below, we have a calendar that goes over their real-time analytics month by month. A great thing to do to help with your SEO is getting a starter keyword list that has low keyword difficulty but higher volume. They are located in Phoenix, so we also want to get some local SEO keywords. As you see here, we have chiropractic massage near me, what toxins are released after chiropractic adjustment, and best chiropractor near me. All of these have a keyword difficulty under 10, but look at that search volume. Chiropractic massage near me is 5,400, and then what toxins are released after a chiropractic adjustment has a 4,400 search volume. So you can create a blog or create a video based on this question. Like I mentioned before, we have our local SEO keywords. Things like chiropractic in Phoenix, Arizona, Phoenix Chiropractic, Chiropractic Phoenix, and Chiropractic Care Phoenix. And as you can see, they all have easy, not the easiest, but easy keyword difficulty and local search volume of a little bit under 500 for chiropractic in Phoenix, Arizona, and Phoenix Chiropractic. But if we combine our local SEO keywords with our starter keyword list, now we have large search volume and all of our keywords are at least easy. Now we want to look at their keyword list. So Phoenix Life Center is a position 1, which is great, but that volume is a little low at 70. So what you can do is make videos and blogs using that keyword consistently. Also put that keyword consistently in your Facebook posts and everywhere throughout your web presence so that you're building volume in that keyword and your position will always be number 1. Like I mentioned in previous videos, you want to use a multiplicity of tools. Another tool set I like to use, it's free, is Ahrefs, getting their organic traffic. So the organic traffic is 18 per month. Again, you want to use a multiplicity of sources. It's 22 according to SEMrush, it's 18 according to Ahrefs. Really, when you're looking at that organic traffic, you really want to pay attention to that graph. As you see here, that graph has gone down since January. Our top 3 keywords are Phoenix Life Center, which has a position of 2, which is pretty good, but the volume is very low at 50. Bethany Chiropractic, which has a low position, and Chiropractic Phoenix, Arizona, which also has a low position. Another thing that Ahrefs gives you is whatever countries you're in. If you have people that are looking at your website in Mexico or other places around the world, maybe you want to integrate multi-language content. In this case, you don't really need to do that. Another great tool to use is ChatGPT, but you don't want to just use ChatGPT outright or use ChatGPT to write your blogs because it's not going to do a great job with that. What you want to do is create your own insights, create your own analytics, and then give that to ChatGPT and have them either refine that or now create a comprehensive marketing plan that has 2 people working on it instead of just 1. So some of the insights that we got from using all 3 of those sources and based on some of the insights I have given is number 1, you want to add meta descriptions to your web pages using the keyword spreadsheet developed using the tools that we had. Next is create a Google My Business profile, setting your hours, business name, services, and a great spot to get Google reviews. Start a monthly blog or FAQ that answers the feature snippets or Google questions that you might have. This helps to increase your search rankings. Like I mentioned before, you want to create YouTube videos and insert them into your blog pages. Next is you want to get more backlinks. So you can join the merlingroupworld.com. That is an education platform that showcases holistic medicine, both in videos and in blogs, as well as has some telehealth services. You can also pass out business cards or create one for you on Canva. You want to create a YouTube video that explains your practice. You want to use a tool like vidIQ for increased visibility.
Create a
Add
Facebook
your
video.
testimonials/reviews to your Facebook for increased trust and credibility. Another great tool, it's free and it's simple, and you can add this to your browser extension. It's called SEO Detailed Extension, and it can help to see if you have a canonical tag, which you don't, so you need to add a canonical tag here. And it can also tell you if your meta description is long enough, your titles are long enough. So it's a great tool that helps you with some simple things. Another great tool is Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog will web crawl throughout your website, and it will give you a description of any issue that you have, and it will tell you exactly how to fix it. I have CSS experience, so I can fix this one issue that deals with the images that are missing an alt tag. It's very simple. You just have to add an alt tag. Another thing is that you don't have a canonical URL. This presents either as a link element or via HTTP header. So you want to specify a canonical URL. Normally you're just going to go with your home page to avoid any potential ranking unpredictabilities if multiple versions of the same page are discovered on different URLs. Another great tool is adding Google Tag Manager. What this does is you embed that into the back end of your website. And once you embed Google Tag Manager into the back end of your website, whether you have WordPress, Wix, it doesn't matter, you can have access to real-time analytics, both Google Analytics and Google Search Console Analytics, that will give you things like average time on page, your engagement, the clicks, what keywords have certain clicks, your impressions, and just so much more. So adding Google Tag Manager is a great tool for you. And the final thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the website itself. So as you see here, it is a one-pager. So integrating that video is paramount because it really makes or breaks your website. So integrating a video called Phoenix Life Center, put it on YouTube, using vidIQ to help with the keywords and help to get increased visibility. That can go a long way. Sense of authenticity. Who is Phoenix Life Center? Putting a video or even your face somewhere on the website does a great job of showing people who you are. If you don't have great keywords or something that drags them in, they're not going to stay. I do like the CTA for book an appointment. I think that's great. The biggest thing for this website is integrating those keywords and adding a video to keep people on page. Make sure to subscribe for more.